Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can embed your Twitch channel onto your website using WebStarts. So let me get started and show you how I did this. You can see here that I have the live Twitch stream going for this particular channel, Monster Cat, and you can also see that the live chat is available as well. The first thing you're going to want to do is log into your WebStarts account. If you haven't already done so, you can go to webstarts.com to create a new account. And then you're going to go into the page editor. That's the view that I'm looking at here. You're going to insert HTML code right here. But before you do that, you need to copy the Twitch embed code to your clipboard. To do that, move over to dev.twitch.tv/docs/embed/everything. Everything will give you access to the video feed for the particular channel, as well as the chat and all the other parts of Twitch. Here you can see the code that you're going to copy to your clipboard. You do that by selecting all the code and then right-clicking and choosing to copy. One thing that you need to keep in mind is the channel. If you want to use your channel for the embed, be sure to put your channel name here. For this demo, the channel name is Monster Cat. Moving back over to the page editor, we go to that insert section. We confirm that we know that overwriting HTML could mess up this page. And now we're just going to paste that Twitch embed code, just like that, right into the field provided and click OK. The next thing you'll do is you'll use these handles to resize the embed so that it's just the right size for your web page. So here you can see I made that a little bit tall, and then you can drag that widget wherever you want it to appear on your site, and then when you're ready, of course, click Save and publish your changes, and then you can view those on the web by clicking View Site. Here you can see the channel has been added to my website, and that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your very own free website and see more videos like this.